Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. As the title says, we're today unboxing the latest Orient Kamasu. I got this watch a couple of days ago and I haven't opened the box until this recording, so this will be my first time taking a look at this as well. I also reviewed the first generation in the red dial variant and I'll put a link right here, and I loved that watch. It was an improvement over the Ray and over the Mako because of the sapphire crystal and because of the easier to grip bezel. So let's see how this one looks. And there we go. It comes on a pillow, standard Orient box. Nothing special, and here it is. Let's zoom in. Now this latest generation, I believe it comes in 4 or 5 variants, and it has this colorful dial that changes with gradient from a lighter to darker green. I believe there's also a red version and a couple more colors. Another interesting thing is that the bezel also features a black and green theme. Very cool. Now the markers are more reminiscent of the Orient Ray because they're more like a Rolex Submariner rather than completely original like on the original Kamasu. I actually preferred those markers more, but this is another take. So just like you have Mako for people who want more originality and Ray for people that want a more traditional look, now the Kamasu offers the same. So you have rectangular markers if you want a more original look, and these more traditional ones on this second generation. I do, however, prefer this bezel insert. It's very cool and the dial is very beautiful. Now as you can see, although it looks like Ray, it does come with the bezel of the Kamasu. That's why it's called the Kamasu second generation, because it's much easier to grip than the one on the Mako and Ray. It comes with 120 clicks, which are as usual butter smooth. Very good. It's powered with the F6922 movement, meaning that it comes with hand winding and hacking. So if you pull the crown out, it's gonna stop the seconds hand. In the closed position you can wind it, and it's a screw-in crown having 200 meters of water resistance. So a lot has been said about the Mako, the Ray, and Kamasu. They're some of the best value watches out there when it comes to dive watches, and this one is pretty much the same. Very cool watch. The bracelet is a solid link bracelet, but it does come with hollow end links and a stamped clasp in Orient fashion. Another thing, the crown is still this very small one. It is easy to operate, but I wish they increased the size of the crown. Other than that, a pretty cool and pretty awesome watch. The diameter is 41 and the lug to lug is 47 or 46.8, something like that. So let's try to put it on my wrist, but I do believe it's gonna have a perfect size for my 6.7-inch wrist. So zoom out, and here it is on my 6.7-inch wrist. As you can see, it doesn't overhang. It pretty much follows the curvature of the wrist, and very cool looking, very traditional looking. A real timeless design and a timeless diver. Very cool. Now let's do a loom shot and close it for today, because like I said, this is just the unboxing and first impressions, and we'll be doing a full review after I spend some time with the watch. Okay, so here we go. Let's zoom in, let the camera focus, and turn off the lights. There we go, and the loom is amazing, just like on all Orient divers. I believe this is pretty much Seiko level. Very cool. These can already be found, and the prices vary between $250 and $350, which is an okay price for what you get, especially given you get the sapphire crystal unlike the Ray and Mako, and the improved version of the movement that doesn't have that pusher corrector, which is something I love. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one when I do the full review with macro shots, and then we're going to compare it to the original Kamasu. Although, like I said, I already prefer the markers on the first generation Kamasu, but this dial is pretty stunning, especially in combination with this beautiful bezel. Very cool. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.